Today I'm going to show you how to make YouTube ringtones. Okay, so here we are at YouTube, and I'm just in the Channels tab. I'm going to go to the Music section because I want to download a music video. Usually Universal has some pretty nice ones. Let's take a look. Here we are. I'm just going to grab any video just for the purposes of showing you how to do it. What you do is you just copy the URL to the video. You can use a website called TubeGrip. There are other websites like KeepVid, and a few other ones. I just use TubeGrip, paste the URL there, click the Get Video button, give it a few seconds, and now you have two download links. I usually grab the high quality one, and that'll give you an MP4 file. And that's what you need, because you need the video file from the YouTube. So that's one way of doing it, and then another way is by using software, and software that I use is called Ringtone Maker. You can read more about it at my website. If you post the URL in the first line, click the grab audio, it'll begin to download just the audio from the video, and you notice it's downloading. So I'm going to give that a few seconds to download. Okay, so now that it's done downloading, we have the graph of the audio, and you can see it here. Now what we would want to do is we want to find our cut points, and so we scroll here with this little scroller, and it begins to turn green. This is going to be the first cut point, or where the ringtone will begin, and then we want to tell it where we want to cut the end of the ringtone. So we grab the other scroller and we just bring the two green, there we go, we bring it together, and essentially the yellow section becomes the ringtone. So that's what's happening here. Now to know where we are in the audio, you would just hit play, and when you hit play, it'll begin to play from your first cut point, so you can fine-tune where you want to cut, if you just want to cut the chorus or if you want to cut a certain line. So that's the beginning of how to do it. Now we downloaded the YouTube video through the software. Now if you didn't do it that way, another thing you could have done is you browse, because if you want to use the free way, you'd go to TubeGrip and you would download the MP4 there. And then in the software you would just open up that file, which is an MP4. If you see right here, MP4 file, here's another M. So we downloaded this file here, which is an MP4. And you can import that file just by clicking open. And the software will do the same thing. It'll draw the graph, and you would cut the ringtone out that way. And we'll just bring the scrollers together real quick. So let's say that this is the exact section that we wanted to create the ringtone from YouTube. Then down here you want to name it. So I'm just going to cut out this, put the J back. So this is what I would call it, and we'll just call it ringtone. Then what you want to do is you want to convert it. So if you have the iPhone like me, you just click iPhone, and the software will basically cut the yellow section out. It'll convert it. It'll put it in the proper format for iTunes, so you can drag and drop it directly into your library in the ringtones folder. And then here you go. And let's see if we can find it. There you go. JSean ringtone is what we called it. It's a .m4r. You can drag and drop that directly into iTunes. If you don't know how to do that, go to my website. I have more videos that will show you how to do that. If you use a Blackberry, a Droid, a Nokia, or any other smartphone that uses MP3s, you would just click MP3 button, and the software will go to work again for you. And notice here it is, JSean ringtone MP3, and that's exactly how you make YouTube ringtones. And that was the free way. This software actually costs money, but you could probably find other ones. But this is the software we use, and it works perfect. And we can make hundreds, if not thousands, of ringtones. You can customize your phone completely. So anyway, thanks for watching, and this is the website ringtonemakersoft.com. So thanks for watching.